Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So yeah, today we're going to be taking a look at something different. This is actually going to be one of the most solid, feature packed, when it comes to just features in general that you could actually pick up for the price point tablets that is actually going to give you a rugged design with offering you enormous amount of, specs. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is the HOTWAV R9 Pro Max. Make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? Hope all is well. It's your boy Serrano. Today we're going to be taking a look at the HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max and telling you everything that I like and don't like about it. This tablet is going to offer you a rugged design with actual solid grip and no compromises when it comes down to all of the features and also the specs on here. One thing I was really surprised is that this will work with 5G global networks. So the HOTWAV rugged tablets are not compatible with AT&T Cricket Wireless, but they are compatible with Mint, T-Mobile Boost, and Google Fi. Inside of the package, you're getting a screen protector built in, but you also do get a tempered glass screen protector inside of the box, which is actually pretty cool. And then when you peel off the plastic film, you will be greeted with the 11-inch display. We actually get a carrying strap in here that you can use on your arm or your hand, extra set of screws, and a SIM remover tool. You also get Type-C to Type-C cable, as well as that OTG cable, a power brick that's actually 20 watts, fast charging, and you also do get a screwdriver as well as a stylus inside of the package. So I definitely think that they provided a nice, pleasant experience there. One of the things I found useful was that this device does come with 8 gigabytes of RAM on board, but you also do get 12 gigabytes of virtual expansion. This device is virtually indestructible when it comes to its rugged design, meant to last in any environment you throw it in, whether it be colder temperatures or even hotter climates. This thing will live up to all of the demands that you throw at it with the IP68 and IP69K rating with military standard 810, which essentially means that this thing is drop resistant up to 1.2 meters. It's also going to be dust proof as well, and it can go up to 2 meters deep for at least 30 minutes, which is actually pretty solid if you actually think about it. The wild part is you'll be able to actually use dual 5G SIM support on here, and you also do get the 2 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi along with Bluetooth 5.0, and you also do get an FM radio, which actually works without plugging in a set of headphones. Outside of the stock Android experience, HOTWAV does also offer their own suite of apps like the toolbox, which allows you to use the compass in there, which I think is going to be pretty cool. Like if you're on hiking trips or something like that. In general, also the FM radio without plugging in, the connector. I definitely think it's going to be pretty cool to have that without the connector plugged in. But yeah, I definitely have been using HOTWAV's tablets for quite some time now, and I definitely think that they hold up to the test of time when it comes to durability and outdoor rugged usage. And these do also have the maneuverability with the strap built in, so you can actually carry this quite easily regardless of how heavy it is. But do me a favor, if you're still here, just type that in the comment section. I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people, and definitely hit that new hype button down below so we can reach a wider audience. Yeah, but stay locked into the end of the video because I'm going to be talking about the cameras, and this thing does also have a night mode when it comes to the night vision camera. So this is actually going to be crazy because you'll be able to take video in pitch black environment. I tested the battery life on here and it's actually pretty off the charts. It lasts you multiple days at a time, so you don't really have to look at the battery drain on here because it's actually going to be phenomenal when it comes to using this on a daily basis. It's going to get you past a day and you don't even have to worry about battery fatigue or battery anxiety. So yeah, you can definitely watch Netflix, series, and also, binge watch your favorite shows while you're enjoying, the Widevine 1. So this does have that certification for Widevine 1, which is actually going to be a really solid feature when it comes to watching your content on here. But I wanted to show you how good the camping light is on here and how much it can light an entire room in pitch black environment.
C. Butler.
So yeah, when it comes to the camper light on the back of the tablet, it's actually going to shine very dark environments into lighter environments, making it visible, being able to, light camping grounds and things of that sort. You'll be able to basically, work on cars, things of that nature, anything outdoors when it comes to, construction or even hiking or something like that. I was actually pretty impressed with the gaming chipset that this thing did have. It's an advanced 6nm Unisoc S713 5G chip. So this is going to actually ensure smooth performance with no chops, no stutters, or no hiccups. And then it's also going to engage the network connectivity to actually be very stable. So 256 gigabytes of internal storage, as well as 8 gigabytes of RAM with 12 gigabytes of virtual. You're also going to have that waterproof component. So essentially you can use this thing in, splashy or wet environments because it's going to be waterproof. And, this was something that I did test out, and I had no issues whatsoever testing out the underwater camera with it. But as you can see, guys, I'm going to go ahead and mess around with the tablet now. It is pretty bright outdoors visibly, so the Face ID actually registered right there. But you can see it's at full brightness right now. So I will actually say that they're doing a really good job with the cameras on here. They're giving you a night vision camera, which I'm going to show you in just a second. But you're also going to get pretty good quality with the 4K cinematic video that I'm just going to jump into right here. You can see this does have 4K recording in 30 frames per second. The thing with this though is that you can't actually activate video stabilization when you have it turned on. So yeah, I'm just going to zoom in right here. It does give me up to 5 times zoom right there while recording in 4K. All right, so here's the deal. We're getting a 64 megapixel rear camera, which is the main shooter. As far as the megapixels on the front, you're getting a 16 megapixel camera. You're also getting a 20 megapixel night vision camera on the rear as well. Blended together, all three of those cameras will actually give you high performance when it comes to, taking, quality shots on this, tablet. So I think you're going to actually get some pretty good, decent quality here. Hey, what's up, guys? So this is actually a pitch black environment using the night vision camera, and I'm able to see, actually have I'm in my bathroom, but I can actually see in complete darkness with this camera. This is actually pretty solid, so I'm not going to face it towards the toilet, but yeah, I can see everything on my sink right here, all my products. I could even see through in the mirror, in the reflection, and it's actually pitch black right now. So this is actually pretty crazy. Oh, the only thing I'm able to see is those two infrared lights right here, and it's actually red, but that's what's allowing me to capture video in a pitch black environment. So yeah, really cool stuff on here. I think what the HOTWAV software included offers is the ability to actually, if you're a creative thinker, maybe have something that will assist you intelligently with your workflow, also help you organize, gather data, kind of brainstorm, but do it in a way that would save time. We live in the city. Tech on my mind. Let's get gritty. So I asked it to come up with a tech rap that incorporated Brooklyn and New York and drill style hip hop, and this is what it came up with. Wi-Fi signals pushing through the night. Tech revolution, we're ready to fight. From the apps in our hands to the beats in the air. Every line of rhyme, tech in the culture, we're ahead of our time. Brooklyn's backbone, where the people unite. Let's rise up together, keep our goals in sight. Not only does this have the ability to actually create songs and poems and compositions when it comes to music, create dreams, generate one with the tap of a finger, and then also has this searching and answering questions and writing with DeepSeek-1 as well as GPT-5. So this does also have GPT-5, so it does have multimodal and context awareness for conversations. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They also do give you these little, kind of characters that you can kind of role play with. You can be limited to depending on, if you do sign up or not to some of these features. So they're not offered free, but it does come also with Google Gemini if you want to also, take advantage of that. So I definitely like the fact that it does come with the Gemini Stylus. You could just go to Keep Note. They actually have you covered there, where if you wanted to actually go ahead and do some drawing, you could do that right here. The HOTWAV. And just keep in mind, once you put your palm on the screen, it will interfere with the stylus. So you kind of want to keep that off. And you can see how responsive the writing is on here. So yeah, you do get that extra little bonus. I think it's pretty cool that they add that. So there's so many things that I really do like about this tablet that I definitely think people could benefit from, especially people who didn't actually know that they needed it. You see, most people would assume that you would have to work in construction or be somebody that actually uses a tablet for, a job, maybe like, a work tablet or something like that. But honestly, these can be used in everyday life situations, especially if you wanted to be in, environments where you were hiking or maybe on the beach or even just doing something that's really active. And I really like that this thing does support GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDAO. So you'll basically be able to use this for all your navigation and traveling to different destinations. It's going to be also supporting 5G as well as, 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It also helps to know that when you're watching Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, or even Hulu, you're going to get that, Widevine L1 certification. Also, this thing's going to come with a ton of storage. It's going to be pretty good on multitasking as well. So you're going to get 256 gigabytes of internal storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM plus the 12 virtual memory. So it's not going to really have any slowdowns or hiccups or stutters, especially a really nice experience when it comes to holding it in the hand with the strap on there, or you could even use the stand. But yeah, I just think that, this thing has a beautiful display, 450 nits peak brightness. So in most outdoor situations, it will be very visible. If it's incredibly bright outside, obviously there might be some minor glare that you will notice when using it. But honestly, right now, with the deal that they have going on sale right now, you could actually pick this up at a really good discount. And I have some discount links that I'm going to leave in the comments as well as in the detail section of this video in the description. But yeah, it retails around $369, but with the discount codes you could probably get it off especially a little bit under. So we're talking insane battery when it comes to endurance. We're talking, you know, pretty decent cameras as well. As far as, you know, using this for gaming or just, you know, basic use, you're gonna get through like several days at a time. I definitely like the built-in FM radio, so you could just kind of listen to your local networks on the you know, satellite, and everything is just going to come through very clean. And yeah, I definitely think that this thing is built very well. I really do enjoy using the stand and the strap as well. As far as the accessories, it also does have that stylus that it comes with, which also just adds to the productivity. We also are getting Android 16 right out of the box, which is awesome. We're also getting facial ID on here, so when you want to unlock it, it does have that lift to wake, which will unlock it immediately. I really also like the fact that this tablet was built with the intentions of, you know, a kid using it, so it does have kid space. You know, it also will have YouTube Kids on here as well. This also does have a theme pack, so you can kind of sort through different themes to play around with it. And just, you know, I definitely like the OS system on here, because it has like the swipe down on each side, one for the notifications and one for the, you know, quick toggles. And, you know, it just seems to work really well overall with a really nice clean interface. And, you know, overall, you know, touch response, everything just seems to work really nicely. Also, the display does get pretty bright, you know, indoors and outdoors. And this thing is also going to have call recording on here if you want to do phone calls. I just think it's pretty solid. But let me know what you guys think about the HOTWAV R9 Pro Max, and I'm going to hit you back. If you're still here, just type that in the comment section. I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. Definitely hit the new hype button so we could reach a larger audience. And I'm going to hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Namaste.